didn't leave out these great photos that they took of us as we were getting ready to start. So here they are. On the trees on the left, it says detour. Don't go that way because it's really, really long. Notice, look how rocky it is. It's really, really rocky.
Mirror. You do a video?
Yeah.
I got a picture of Bigfoot. I'll show you when we get back to the.
And he was doing what?
I was mowing the Graham's front yard, and I saw him in the woods looking at me.
Really?
I'll show you
Wow.
a picture of him.
And here's the picture he was talking about. See Bigfoot? Okay, we believe you, David. We know you're an honest man.
I was laying back so Daniel could see me.
Go ahead, Dad.
I was laying back so Daniel could see me. And next thing I come up this hill, and then all of a sudden, you turned and went down the hill. No, I looked for loose
And
dirt.
so why didn't you stop?
We did.
Seen the loose dirt.
We did
Didn't
stop.
follow the rules. Yes, I did. I seen the loose dirt, and I
Stopped
went
a
with it.
mile later.
Stopped a
No.
mile later.
No, we
He
stopped.
says if you lose the trail, you stop.
Well, we did stop.
We did stop.
I went what just
Well, we didn't
100
realize he
yards
lost
past
it too.
Hey, we stopped and picked blackberries.
I can't believe Mom's driving
Sandra.
better than y'all.
Sandra.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're doing great, Sandra. From what I've seen.
I didn't get stopped and I didn't get lost. She was on our tail the whole way.
Get a water? Dad, give me a cigarette, Heidi. That's
No.
driving me nuts. Yeah, give me a cigarette, Heidi. I can't take the
But we
pressure.
just seen David.
Right here.
I can't. I'm still lost.
You saw me what?
And you was it you were
I was
driving?
the very last one. Okay. None of this can be dumped on Daniel.
Joe, you're not gonna live this one down. No, no.
He's already said that, and I've got all of it on video.
No.
He said that we took the hardest hill on the mountain.
It doesn't make any difference. You didn't follow the path.
You didn't follow the rules.
You didn't
We
keep my
stopped.
lights in
The
place.
rules were if you don't see who's in front of you, you stop.
We stopped and waited.
No, we didn't.
mile away.
How many? 6 miles later?
It was a good bit. It took me like 15 minutes to find y'all.
So it's like 12 miles. Different.
it was like a
But Joe, you keep the tail
15
lights
miles you had to travel to find it.
I think it was 20.
it was no.
Need
In
some
all
money?
honestly,
Money?
it was actually
12
half a
miles?
mile. It was like
I
no.
wanted it to be 10.
I know, but like in all honesty, it was like you guys went a little
wasn't
farther,
a view out
a little
there.
farther
See,
than
you guys
necessary.
went very far. A
Deborah.
lot farther than you were supposed
We
to.
just went on the road that he didn't think would go on.
And then another one, and then one more.
See?
We did.
It was like you turned like 3 times.
You know what I was thinking the whole time? I said, I tell you what, boy, if Sanders done all this, I'm impressed.
Me too.
were like-
Me too.
She stayed on our tail the whole time.
No, I'm
mean,
talking
I'm
about the ones that
impressed.
we went on.
I probably did as bad.
I'll take y'all up there just to so y'all can see what they did.
Oh,
It's
that'd
pretty
be
rough.
cool. It's pretty rough.
Why you're trying to get me stuck, right?
No, it's not muddy. It's just rocky.
It's very rocky.
No, when I was pretty muddy and yeah. I tell you what, this is yeah, I'm impressed with you, Sam.
Don't ever put anything over on us 70-something people.
Right.
No. Hey.
You know what though has helped me is riding a motorcycle and riding through some of those hills and some of those
Kind of
trails.
negotiate.
We started out, and I was laughing so hard, I was crying and fogged up my glasses.
So you've been having a good time.
Oh my gosh! Yeah.
That's awesome. Isn't that
Where are you guys
awesome?
visiting from?
Hey,
Yeah.
Christian, take a picture of us. We're
Yeah,
gonna do a
yeah,
group picture.
yeah.
Not waiting.
What do you mean not waiting? I did
You
wait.
put my brother in grave danger.
Hey,
You know how long we had to sit out there and eat blackberries?
we ate blackberries too.
blackberries too.
You know, we were at our last berry. And then we heard engines.
Oh,
Okay, come on, y'all. Let's let Christian take a picture.
Does anybody look at this valley?
isn't that pretty? That's a pretty valley.
Tristan, did you bring your phone?
No. Connie's got
Connie does. Connie just said
That is
that
that
better.
is that nice?
That is. It's beautiful. He said, what? You got a pier in it. And they even have poopy?
They even have poopy. Don't they make jewelry out of this poop?
Yeah, moose poop jewelry.
Yeah.
They do.
It's getting wet. It's in my lap. It's getting wet. It looks like somebody had diarrhea in my lap.
What was that? I got you out on video.
I said, I'm sitting there and I got all this mud on there, and then it's been raining, so the rain got in my lap. It looks like somebody had diarrhea.
We have places where it wasn't even up, and then it all come out.
See, he's out of Swannanoa.
Okay. Outside Asheville, Black Mountain.
Right.
Yeah, so you know all of Swannanoa got devastated.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It was real rough over there. Too.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank the Lord we didn't. All we got was just a little bit of water in the basement.
Oh yeah, your house. Yeah.
Thank the Lord that we didn't handle.
Yeah, that's all I got too. I'm not really right on the Nolichucky. I'm on the other side of Irwin.
Okay.
Yeah, but everyone near the Nolichucky over there, they're like,
Devastated, huh?
yeah,
Well, we went.
ow.
See, I didn't know Tennessee got it too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Our just over the North Carolina line off the river.